Okay, welcome back guys. Today we're going to be doing a little bit different video. We're going to be prepping for the Hoopty X. And I don't know if I've introduced, oh that is bright, there we go. Don't know if I've introduced this thing to you guys, but this is my daily. It is at least the body, no, the body is 1991 Bronco. The front clip is built off of a 94 that I did in around 2013. A 4-liter out of a Explorer in it. Has a Dana 35 and 8.8 out of Explorer. Longer radius arms. Just some random upgrades I've done over here. It's kind of my wheeler slash daily driver slash, but today, actually tomorrow, we're gonna go run the Hoopty X. So, well, a little bit of fabrication, some of the rules, you have to have a battery box, and mine's kind of thrashed, so we're gonna fabricate one up really quick. Not necessarily my best work, but we're just gonna kind of throw it together. And then, I wish I kind of would have videoed this actually, but I threw together some shock mounts last night that I wanna kind of show you guys, and they turned out pretty good. We'll drop down under here. And so, long story short, the spring on this side from jumping it was all blown out, so I threw together, I wanted to run a dual shock on this thing since I might be catching some air at the race tomorrow. So I threw together these shock brackets and I thought it turned out pretty good. I don't know if you can see up in there, but got a nice little tower up in there and then got this little tie-in guy on the bottom, so now I can run duals on it. So we're gonna go build ourselves a battery bracket or a battery holder, and then we're gonna go race. So stay tuned for the race.
That's scary.
It's like, I told
buddy, I'm not.
I told.
He's gonna pull it over.
I told you you'd ruin your hood. Okay. that didn't go exactly how I planned it. I was definitely not expecting that I was going to bid farewell to my baby the same video that I introduced her, but she's going to get part out. Show a little bit of the damage here. The roof's all collapsed in. Frame rails are bent about 6 inches apart, so it's kind of toast. We're gonna part her out. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, make sure to share the video if you liked it, and go build something. Now let's get this thing torn apart.